Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Airtable Database and Spreadsheet Hybrid, my workflow automation review. Airtable Database and Spreadsheet Hybrid offers a unique approach to data management, combining the flexibility of a spreadsheet with the power of a database. It's targeted towards individuals and teams looking to organize and streamline their workflows, from project management and content calendars to CRM and inventory tracking. Key features include customizable views, automation capabilities, and integrations with other popular apps. Their website provides details on the various plans and pricing options. Airtable emphasizes ease of use and collaboration, highlighting features like real-time editing and shared workspaces. They also promote their secure platform and offer a generous free tier for individual users. Airtable often positions itself as a more flexible and user-friendly alternative to traditional database software. You can visit their website to explore different use cases and learn more about the platform's functionalities. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Airtable Database and Spreadsheet Hybrid for my workflow automation. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The onboarding process walked me through creating a base and familiarized me with the interface. I decided to use it for managing my video production schedule. I created a table for each video project, with fields for deadlines, team members, scripts, and assets. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I really appreciated the drag-and-drop functionality for rearranging columns and records. One of the standout features for me was the ability to create different views for the same data. For example, I could switch between a Kanban board view for tracking progress, a calendar view for visualizing deadlines, and a grid view for detailed data entry. Performance-wise, Airtable was generally responsive, even with a substantial amount of data. I did experience a little lag when working with very large attachments, but nothing major. I had a quick question about integrations and their support responded within a day via email, which was helpful. One minor drawback was the learning curve associated with the more advanced automation features. It took me a little while to get the hang of setting up custom scripts and workflows. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Airtable. While it has a few quirks, it significantly improved my workflow and helped me stay organized. That's my overview of Airtable Database and Spreadsheet Hybrid, my workflow automation review. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.